You need 7 streams of income if you want to become a millionaire, if you want to become successful and make a ton of money. That is total BS. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free stocks with Webull. You'll get up to $30,500 worth of free stocks. All you gotta do is sign up, download the app, and get some free stocks, and then make a deposit of like $10, $20 and get even more free stocks. This promotion is good for this month only, so make sure you check it out. And now let's jump straight into the video. So you have probably heard this many times before, and that is that you need 7 streams of income in order to become a millionaire. I'm here to tell you that is total BS. You do not need 7 streams of income to become rich. And starting 7 different businesses will most likely lead to failure. As you guys know, I became a millionaire due to real estate, and I was able to retire in my 20s. I literally spent 5 years of my time, 5 years of focus, 5 years of money, energy, literally dedicated 5 years of my life into buying more real estate in order to replace my income that I was making at my 9-to-5 job. I literally put 5 years worth of work in one passive income stream. If I would have taken this bogus advice of starting 7 different businesses at the same time just so I can create 7 different income streams, I would have failed 100% and I would have probably made zero in the process. Guys, it takes a lot of work and a lot of time just to make one successful income stream. A lot of these wannabe millionaires will tell you what sounds good, what's fancy that can get them the most views possible and the most attention. But in reality, a lot of them started out with one income stream. You will see a lot of these big influencers, a lot of these big YouTubers that tell you, bro, I got 7 different income streams. But a lot of that money came from one source. For example, myself, my main source of income are my rental properties. And due to those rental properties and due to me being a successful real estate investor, I was able to create other streams of income. For example, a stock portfolio that pays me dividends and that grows in value over time, a crypto portfolio, a business on the side, this other thing, but it all originated from one source of income. It is a million times easier to start one business, make that business successful, put in a lot of time and effort and make a ton of money. Then take some of those profits and then start a crypto portfolio, then start a stock portfolio, and then grow those passive income streams as well. But everything at once, in my opinion, is definitely a no-go. Just think of it as having 7 children. What is harder, raising one child at a time or raising 7 children all at once? You already know the answer. There's nothing wrong with wanting to build multiple streams of income. There's obviously easy ways to do it and there's harder ways to do it. All I'm saying is focus on your core money maker, build that company up, build that portfolio up, and then focus on other things. For me, my core is real estate, but I also do stocks, crypto. But for example, if crypto will go to zero, I will lose hundreds of thousands of dollars. But my core business, which is real estate, will be able to maintain me and my family until I build up another stream of income or until crypto recovers. It is important to have one main core business that can maintain you and your family. And if you take a look at other super successful people that are millionaires and billionaires, they all have one thing in common, and that is they build up one big income stream. For example, Elon Musk with Tesla, he didn't start 7 other car companies at once. He focused all his energy on one. Now he can take those profits and invest in other companies and other income streams. Same thing goes with Bill Gates, with Warren Buffett, with pretty much any super successful person. And the same thing goes for sports. For example, LeBron, he started playing basketball, made millions of dollars, used that money to invest in other businesses. Music as well. For example, Drake made millions of dollars with rap, then used that money to invest in other businesses. So all I'm trying to say is do not let these influencers, do not let these news articles stress you out and tell you need 7 streams of income in order to become a millionaire. Relax, take your time, focus on one thing at a time, and the money will come. So it's better to have one good stream of income than to attempt 7 different income streams and end up with 0. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what income stream are you working on right now? and let me know how many you plan on having. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and get your free stocks with Webull, and see you in the next video. Peace out.